A 14-inch laptop that has Windows 11 in S mode and Word, Excel, and PowerPoint built in. Let's dive into the HP 14 laptop. So, initial impressions, I love this color, and right out of the box, pretty simple. Power adapter, power supply, and the HP 14 laptop itself. Now look at this white. I think it's a snowflake white. It is gorgeous, and this is not a premium priced device, right? This is something that's very accessibly priced. So the fact that it feels so good and sturdy and durable and yeah, really, ooh, look at those ports. We'll talk about those in a second. And really, really, really durable. I just can't get over how good it feels for something in this, well, let's just be honest, in this price range. This is a full 14-inch HD display, and it really comes to life here when you open it up. Keyboard has fantastic travel, really good typing experience, you can tell. This really is a modern looking, modern feeling laptop for such an affordable price point. And it is a whopping 3.2 pounds. So this is not a backbreaker if you need to take it to class. So let's talk about the connectivity a little bit. Power-wise, it actually does come with HP Fast Charge, so you're getting a lot of your battery charged in like less than an hour of plugging it in, which is really nice. But here you can see that you have a full-size HDMI port, 2 USB Type A ports, and a USB Type C port on a device at this price point. That really is phenomenal. And on the other side, again, this is pretty impressive what you get value for dollar here. You actually have a full-size SD card slot. So for taking digital photography and taking those photos from the camera onto this device or other kind of storage needs, you have that port available as an option. I mentioned fast charge, but I should also mention that when you're fully charged, you're getting 11.5 hours of battery life with this thing. Now I mentioned earlier that the HP 14 laptop comes running Windows 11 in S mode. Now what does that mean? Okay, Windows 11 in S mode is awesome. It's plain and simple, it's just fantastic. Windows 11 in S mode means you get all of your favorite features from Windows 11 Home, but you get it in a safer, quicker, more streamlined environment. All of the apps you're using on this HP 14 laptop are going to come from the Microsoft Store. That's how you know they're going to be trusted, verified, and they're going to run really well on your device. What this means for security is, let's say if a student is using this HP 14 laptop and they get a spam email and they click a link that might be dangerous. Well, since it's running Windows 11 in S mode, there's nothing that link can do to damage this computer. It's safe and secure because it is built with that in mind. Now there is a little bit of fine print here for all of you pro users watching. Yes, if you need to install a program or an app that is not in the Microsoft Store, you can switch out of Windows 11 in S mode one time, and there's no switching back into S mode, so it's an important decision to make if you want to sacrifice the safety and security features of Windows 11 S mode. In terms of productivity, this HP 14 laptop actually comes with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Even better than that, it comes with Microsoft 365. So included with the purchase of this laptop, you're getting Microsoft 365. So you're getting all the advanced features in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. You're getting cloud-assisted AI technology inside of those apps. You're able to write, take notes, use spreadsheets, give presentations, and you have a full terabyte of OneDrive cloud storage that's included with that Microsoft 365 subscription. When you take that into account, you can plainly see how much of an immense value this HP 14 laptop can be. So who would I recommend use this HP 14 laptop? Well, I think you have to start with students. I mean, students get that full Windows experience with all the apps they need to be productive right out of the gate, including that cloud storage. So for homework, for going from class to class, and for just durability, the HP 14 laptop is one for the books. And honestly, this represents a fantastic gift opportunity for a friend or loved one who maybe isn't very tech savvy, but they still want to be able to access email, social media, photos, all the kind of Windows apps that they know and love, but they don't want to risk getting viruses or malware. Well, the HP 14 laptop is perfect for that scenario. So dive in deeper and maybe give the student or loved one in your life the chance to have a full Windows 11 experience at a price point that is unbeatable.